proclamation recognizing this week as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Whereas Charleston County is one of the oldest counties in South Carolina in the 18th century, Charleston County and the South Carolina coast became the locale of some of the richest rice plantations in the South, which relates to specific West African ethnic groups who became known as Gullah Geechee. And whereas the Gullah Geechee civilization originated in West Africa, its people coming to the United States as slaves to work on rice plantations, specifically in the coastal region, including South Carolina, and with their African fare, original language, and craftsmanship, the Gullah Geechee people left their mark on southeastern South Carolina. And whereas the Gullah Geechee culture has had a powerful impact on the low country of South Carolina, including Charleston County, these Gullah Geechee influences have helped to define our southern lifestyle and culture. And whereas the preservation and celebration of the Gullah Geechee culture has gained momentum due to the Gullah Geechee Heritage Act, created by the United States Representative James Clyburn, as well as the efforts of others such as Queen Brett, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and Tommy Shaw, co-founders of the International Gullah Geechee Nation Celebration, and the annual Gullah Geechee Nation Music and Movement Festival. And whereas it is appropriate to recognize the importance of race, awareness, and appreciation for this rich culture and history, it's just a dog. Understanding of all the contributions that Gullah Geechee has given to our area. Now, therefore, be it resolved that Charleston County Council does hereby recognize the 2014 Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival and proclaim the week of July 28th to August 3rd, 2014 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Charleston County, and encourages its citizens to participate in educational activities aimed at increasing both knowledge and appreciation of this rich culture.
Freedom, oh, freedom, oh, freedom, oh, we. Good evening, everybody. How are you doing? So glad you're going to join me. We're going to be here tonight here at the Jewel. So we're so glad that it's another day of this evening, and we hope that one of you might join me tomorrow at the Maritime Center. So glad, because it's sure a shout time for me. And we like to say, must take care of you, but he be true. So glad that we don't gonna get you. Take it, River Dog. Now let we play some ball, children.
In honor of Gullah Geechee Heritage Night, representing the Gullah Geechee Angel Network, Tommy Shaw.
All right. Yeah, get up and make it happen, River Dog. Make it happen. Take this man up out of here.
Strike two. Here we go.
Come on now.
One more. One more.
Stand up. Stand up. Let's get it.
Woo! Strike him out! Strike him out!
Set him home.
Strike him out! Yeah!
Come on now. Oh, he just didn't kipped it. He kipped it. He kipped it.
I'm getting excited.
I know we all up now.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah!
Come on, get this man.
Get him out! Get him out! Get him out! Yeah!
That's it.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah!
Yes. Yeah, dog. That's one thing. Every time I come to the game, they win. Gonna celebrate and party with you. Come on now. Celebrate and have a good time. Woo! Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival blowing up Charleston. The chop. And wanna chillin' every day. Wanna show 'em this a party and celebration, yeah? This year who we be? We be Gullah Geechee anointed people. Shine, y'all, shine. Yeah. Woo! There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Come on now. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Yeah.
Wow. That's how you do it.
It is. So there it is. That's the opening of the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival. For the children, if you ain't been here, you ain't been nowhere. I'm telling you right now. This how we light up the sky in the chop. And what we done light them up? That Gullah Geechee black gold. We still a shine. Shine bright like a diamond, that gal say. In the sky right here. God bless you, chillin'. This year the queen quit. And Hunter know. If Hunter there with me, Hunter going know. This year the what going on. Higher and higher, brighter and brighter. Keep shining, black gold. Love y'all. And down your in the Gullah Geechee Nation. We just have to say thank you, y'all.